Hello YouTube and welcome back. Um, Today I'm going to make a tutorial about functions and variables and functions. So what we want to do is I'm just going to explain you what functions is. It's like if you have a button, you can make different functions. If you click on a button, it will do any function you want it to make. You just have to script it. Um, and now I will be going to make a really simple function. Um, and I'm going to explain it all to you. Okay. First of all, you're going to write function space. You wanna give it a name. I'm gonna call it greeting. You wanna make these signs, and you just wanna make the opening tag for your script. No, I mean for your function. This is the closing tag, and this is the opening tag. And inside here, it's the function that is inside here. You just have to make it. You have to do what I'm doing right now, or else it won't work for you. Okay. Now you wanna give it a command, a function. It have to do something if you wanna use it as a function. Okay, we wanna give it a document write. Let's call it document write. And we wanna make a closing tag, and now we wanna type in here hello plus these plus name. And why I'm making so much of these is because, as I told you in part 1, hello, I made a sentence, letters, a string. In here, a string plus space, because you can see here, it's kind of string, but it's just a space in here, so it doesn't look stupid. And plus name, because you don't need to make these because it's a function. Okay. Let's see. Greeting. Let's call my name for Oscar, and we want to save it. We want to reload the site, and it says hello, because as you can see here, I did actually something wrong. You have to type name in here. Because I'm typing name in here is because it looks a lot easier for you guys. So it says function greeting name. You have to make the you're making your function here, and now you're printing your function out. So you have to make a function greeting name. Inside these is the function you print out, like document write hello plus name and a greeting. This is the name, as you can see. Hopefully you will understand. And let's try and make a variable and a function. I'm just going to make a comment here. Function. Okay, let's call it function and variables. Now we made our comment, so it's a lot easier to see what we are coding. We wanna make a variable to our function and call it a name. Let's call it food demand. Food demand equal to function, so it knows our food demand is going to be a function, and we want to give it these markers here as we did before food, and we want to make the opening tag and the closing tag, and we want to go a little forward here as we did before, and we want to print it out document write I want, oh shit, I forgot. I want to eat plus food. Okay, so now we basically created our function with a variable, and we just want to call it, we just want to say food demand. um what do you want to eat? I want to eat a burger. You want to save it, and as you can see, uh okay, I have to figure out how to make these new lines. I forgot how to do that. But I will not look over that not right now, but you can just see the code if you want to pause it. I'm just going to delete this one, and I'm going to save here. We want to save it. I want to eat a burger, and you can always use this function, but you can't give it the same name. um Next time I'm going to make a function and variables together with buttons. uh, as you can see, if you're like clicking on a button, it will do something for you, but I can make something that like you can log in and save info and that kind of stuff. Like if you're thinking about YouTube, registering account and something, you need to learn PHP for that. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked what I learned you today. I hopefully think I learned you something today, and be sure to share my video, and we'll see you next time.